Hello YouTube, it's Malik Smith here, the founder of Limmic.com, Limmic LLC, and the producer of the world's leading dropshipping software, Dropship Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, share it as well. And today we're going to be configuring a VM and installing Ubuntu. Ubuntu, that's a funny word. Alrighty, now we're going to create a new VM. Let's name it VM2. Select Linux as a type. Oh, and Ubuntu is already selected for it. We're going to use all the default settings. Okay, next we're going to click settings, and we are going to mount the ISO file from Ubuntu. We're going to go to storage here, click here, choose disk. Whoops, I double clicked it. Click OK. Now, you're going. Let's power it on. I just gotta say, this is amazing technology that they have out right now. So we're gonna install Ubuntu. Just gonna continue. Just gonna install now. Just gonna keep going through that. Make sure we get the location of ourselves, time zone. Blah 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 blah. Just want to say Dropship Plus is the best dropshipping course out. Alright, and we're going to restart. Now let us open Mozilla Firefox here. And let's type in LEMMOCH. Can't do that. Okay. Oops. And go to google.com. Type. Dang, they don't let you do that. Alright, let's type in what they want me to type in. There we go. We've got internet. Now let's power this off. And that is it for installing, configuring a VM and installing Ubuntu.